Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to connect a wireless mouse with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Previous video, we are connecting this mouse with 2.4 GHz. Now this video, we are connecting this mouse with Bluetooth. Okay, just press this button. Now it is on the third one Bluetooth mode, and you can see that we are turning on the Bluetooth in our phone. I'm already paired this mouse with my phone, I think. Otherwise we need to pair. Okay, just open settings, go to connections, go to Bluetooth. Then you can see here, sorry, I'm not paired this device, so we need to pairing. So how to pair that? Simply press and hold this button. Okay, and it will be changed to blink in blue color. That means pair mode is activated. Once again tap on scanning. Then you can see available devices here, third one. Click that. It is start pairing. Click on pair. Symbol. Red light is appeared. That means it is working. So the second method is that you can simply connect your third one mouse with Bluetooth connectivity. So it will be provide multiple connectivity like 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth. There is two Bluetooth connections. First one is third one and second one is third one plus. It is, I think, that the normal version of Bluetooth and the latest version of Bluetooth. So there is multiple connectivities. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. In this way you can connect wirelessly with Bluetooth, and also this device support with a dongle. You can see that this is a 2.4 GHz dongle support of this device. You can also connect with this device also, but you need an OTG connector. So you need that video. Please check out my previous video. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.